Hi, this is Dan Chambers, the founder of Chambers Law Firm. I'm in the middle of a series of videos talking about some very important criminal justice reforms, not only for California state law, but also specifically within the County of Los Angeles. As many of you know, George Gascon is the newly elected district attorney in LA County. He took office in early December of 2020, and he's implemented some very dramatic changes in the office that may help you or your loved one who is serving a lengthy sentence in prison or is facing a lengthy sentence in a case that's still going through the court system. Let me explain what some of the directives are. Mr. Gascon has issued a series of directives that now say that his prosecutors can no longer allege certain types of prior convictions, which we sometimes call prior strike convictions, can no longer seek gang enhancements, can no longer seek certain gun enhancements, and other types of directives he's issued that are going to have the effect of reducing your loved one's potential sentence. Let me give you an example of what that means. Let's say your loved one is currently in custody on a murder case and they're awaiting trial. Well, a first-degree murder conviction in California carries a potential sentence of 25 to life. However, if a gun is used, that sentence can go as high as 50 to life. Under Mr. Gascon's new directives, his district attorneys have been asked to no longer file that gun enhancement. Well, you can see what a dramatic difference that makes in the potential sentence, reducing it at least by half, back to 25 to life. So that's one example of how these special directives can help your loved one. Now, let me be very clear about something. These are currently working their way through the court system. As you might imagine, there's been a big backlash against these directives, and many of the judges and prosecutors within Mr. Gascon's office are pushing back against these reforms. So much so that there's now been a civil lawsuit filed in downtown Los Angeles where these issues are being litigated. So these directives are going to change, sometimes on a weekly basis, depending on how the court case comes out. That court case involves the following. The LA District Attorney's Union has sued Mr. Gascon in civil court and has stated that he cannot put these directives in play. Mr. Gascon has fought back saying, I'm the district attorney, I have the discretion to do this. Now, there was an important ruling that came out about a month ago from a civil judge that heard that. And the civil judge tentatively has agreed with the union and said, well, some of these directives have to be reworded, they have to be modified, they can't be as strongly worded, and all of that is in flux right now. There's going to be litigation over it for a while. So like I said, these directives are subject to change. The best thing that you can do for your loved one is to call Chambers Law Firm. We can talk you through what the status of those directives are and what the DAs can and cannot do on those cases. So give Chambers Law Firm a call at the number that you see in connection with this video. We'll talk it through with you, and we'll see what we can do for you and your loved one on these directives. Thank you.